भवतु शुभदिनं भवतु अनुदिनं। सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः नमो नमः। स्वागतं दशमी कक्षायाम्। अद्य वयं दशमी कक्षायाः तृतीयपाठः व्यायामः सर्वदा पथ्यः इति पाठस्य श्लोकद्वयं पूर्वतनकक्षायां पठितवन्तः। अद्य तदग्रे पठामः। व्यायामः व्यायामः नाम किं? व्यायामः नाम यत् शरीराय आयासं जनयति तत् व्यायामः इति उच्यते। अर्थात् यत् शरीरस्य आयासं तत्र निर्बलताम् अर्थात् आयासं श्रमं कृत्वा प्राप्नुमः तदेव व्यायामः इति वदामः। व्यायामस्य के लाभाः इति पृष्ठायां प्रयोजनमनुद्दिश्य न मन्दोऽपि प्रवर्तते इति वयं सर्वे जानीमः एव। प्रत्येकस्यापि कार्यस्य प्रयोजनम् इच्छन्ति मानवाः। एतस्मिन् सति तत्र व्यायामस्य प्रयोजनं द्वितीयश्लोके उक्तम्। किं प्रयोजनं? शरीर उपचयः अर्थात् शरीरस्य सम्यक् वृद्धिः भवति खलु। कान्तिः भवति, मुखे काचित् कान्तिः भवति। गात्राणां सुविभक्तता अर्थात् गात्रेपि शरीरेषु अङ्गानि सन्ति। प्रत्येकस्यापि अङ्गस्य एकैकं परिमाणं भवति। तत्परिमाणे यदा तत् अङ्गं वर्धते तदानीमेव शरीरसौष्ठवम् इति वदामः। सुविभक्तता अर्थात् यत् अशितम् अन्नं समानेषु सर्वेषु अङ्गेषु समानरूपेण गच्छति। यथा यद्यद् अपेक्षितं तथा शरीरसौष्ठवम् अर्जयति। एवम् अशितस्य अन्नस्य सम्यक् पचनं भवति। दीप्ताग्नित्वं नाम पचनक्रिया सम्यक् भवति। अनालस्यं यः शरीरे व्यायामं सम्पादयति सः कदापि आलस्यं न करोति, अनालस्यं भवति। दीप्ताग्नित्वम् अनालस्यम् इत्यादीनि। मृजा नाम शुचिः, शरीरे शुचिं सम्पादयितुं शक्नोति इत्यादीनि अस्माभिः पूर्वकक्षायां पठितम्। इस् इट् नाट्? फस्ट् आफ् आल्, when we started this lesson, that exercise is always good for the health, good for the body. Then first shloka we have learnt what is exercise. Vyayamaha nama kim? Exercise means which makes your body tiresome. That is called exercise. So why should we do the exercise? Because the people will not accept anything without worthless. Everywhere people find the benefit. What is benefit for me? What is use for me? Like that. So what is the benefit of doing exercise is learnt in the second shloka. What is that? So your body will grow well. Sharira upachayah. Body will grow well and there will be a glow in the face if you do the exercises properly. Otherwise you will looking very tiresome. You will not be. So kantihi bhavati. Gatranam suvibhaktata. That means body will get shapes in all the parts. Every part has got different shapes. Hands are in different, hand muscles are different, leg muscles are different, stomach is different, six pack, all these things. So every shape has got its own size. In the proper size, your body will be there if you are doing the exercises. Then your digestion system will be good. So deeptagnitvam, then analasyam, there will not be any laziness in the body. And it will be very active. And laghavam, body you feel very flexible and light. And mruja, it will be a cleaning. Toxins will not be there in the body. Still further more benefits are there which are explained in today's shloka. Shrama klama pipasoshna. Shrama klama pipasoshna शीतादीनां सहिष्णुताम्. श्रम क्लम पिपासोष्ण शीतादीनां सहिष्णुताम् आरोग्यं चापि परमं व्यायामात् उपजायते. आरोग्यं चापि परमं व्यायामात् उपजायते. श्रम क्लमः. श्रमः हार्ड वर्किंग. Klamaha means fatigue. After working hard, you will feel fatigue. Is it? That when you tire some, can you bear that? Then pipasa. Pipasa, thirsty. Thirsty. Ushna, heat. Shita, cold. Adinam sahishnutam. Many people are there. In Kannada we say that Tirtha kotre Sita, Mangalarti tondre Ushna. That means people cannot bear. Oh, summer it is sweating too much. People will say, it's raining. Oh, it is raining, we cannot go out. Oh, it's very chill in the winter. That means people cannot adjust with the climate. But when you do the exercises correctly, people will come, no, coming after the office, I am so much tired, no, don't tell me anything. People even going to the school and coming, I am so much tired. What is that tiresome? So, Shramaklamaha, after working hard, still if you can do, then only it is called resistance. When you are tired, in science school you learn this, that while running the cross country, you are tired, but still don't stop, then you move. That only will increase your resistance power. So, the resistance power, the fatigue, thakan nahi mehsoos hota hai. So you will not feel the tiresome because you are doing the regular exercise. The tiresome will not be seen in your face. Pipasa. Oh, if you feel thirsty, people cannot wait. I am so thirsty, immediately I want water. No. When you are doing exercise, even if you get tired after running 6 kilometers, you feel thirst, but will you drink? No. You will wait that body should come to the normal. How do you get it? Is by exercise only. You can bear your thirst. Ushnam, my dear all NCC cadets. How do you get hot sun? Do we stop doing parade? Never. You will be half an hour, you will be standing for the address of the chief guest. Is it? Without any shake, properly in a proper position. How do you stand it? How do you stand like that? Because your body has underwent with the many exercises. It has undergone many exercises. So that means Ushnam, you can bear the heat. If somebody makes you to stand in the quadrangle, you can stand for a long hours because you are doing the good exercises. If you are not doing any exercises, your body cannot stand in the hot sun. And Shitam, in the winter, is it not? In the winter, already parade, we will practice in the December, very chill. Getting up here is very difficult, but at 5 o'clock, 5:30, you will out of the house and you will come for the parade. Shitam, without anything you can bear. Are you getting any rugs? No. Without any blankets, you can come and stand, means that shows that your body has got the temperature of Sahishnuta. It can bear. Sahishnuta means bearing. You can bear the cold waves, you can bear the heat sun. hot sun. Then pipasa, you can bear the thirst. Wait. When I say I will drink, not when you say. And shramaklamaha, after working hard, still you have got strength to work, because it is all the benefits of exercises that you do. Then arogyam, the health will be, you will have a very healthy life. Arogyam, health will be yours. Paramam, paramam nama shreshtham, shreshtham arogyam. Where do you get? Vyayamat upajayate. You get it from the exercises. Vyayamat shramaklamasya sahishnuta bhavati. Vyayamat pipasasya sahishnuta upajayate. Vyayamat ushna sahishnuta upajayate. Vyayamat शीतादीनां सहिष्णुता उपजायते. व्यायामात् परमं आरोग्यं च अपि उपजायते. From the exercise you can get the resistance power. From this exercise you can control your thirst. From the exercise you can bear the heat. From the exercise you can bear the cold waves. And from the exercise you get the very good health. Is it? That is these are all the benefits of doing vyayama. Once again, shrama klama pipasoshna शीतादीनां सहिष्णुता आरोग्यम चापि परमम व्यायामात् उपजायते. So we will see the sandhis. Pipasoshna, pipasa, adhikam ushna. Pipasa adhikam ushna पिपासोष्ण गुणसन्धिः. सूर्यादिकम् उदयः सूर्योदयः इतिवत्. पिपासोष्ण शीतादीनां शीत आदीनां शीत अधिकम आदीनां चापि च अधिकम अपि च अधिकम अपि चापि व्यायामादुपजायते. व्यायामात् अधिकम उपजायते. तकारस्य स्थाने दकारस्य आगमः. व्यायामात् उपजायते व्यायामादुपजायते इत्यर्थः. सहिष्णुता, सहिष्णुता इत्यत्र सहिष्णु अधिकं तल. सहिष्णु अधिकं तल सहिष्णुता. अवगतम्? एतत् अस्ति प्रथमश्लोकस्य अर्थः. अवगतम्? पुनरेकवारं श्लोकं पठामः. श्रमक्लम पिपासोष्ण शीतादीनां सहिष्णुता आरोग्यं चापि परमं व्यायामादुपजायते इति. पिपासोष्ण पिपास अधिकम उष्ण गुणसंधि शीतादीनां शीत अधिकम आदीनां सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि चापि च अधिकम अपि चापि सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि व्यायामादुपजायते व्यायाम अधिकम क्षम्यतां व्यायामात् अधिकम उपजायते व्यायामादुपजायते अत्र व्यञ्जनसन्धिः अस्ति। सहिष्णुता सहिष्णु अधिकं तल् प्रत्ययः अस्ति। एवं च इति अव्ययं च इति अव्ययम् अपि इति अव्ययम् अव्ययद्वयम् अस्ति। अग्रे अग्रिमकक्षायां पठामः। धन्यवादाः।